In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious, amazing banana carrot bread. It's super moist and the taste is incredible. And I know for sure you're going to love it. Hello, friends and family. Welcome back. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. And please take a moment to subscribe and join this beautiful family. So guys, these are all the ingredients I'll be using for today's video, and I've also listed all the measurements in the description box below, so please do check it out. I've got some ripe bananas, baking powder, eggs, some grated carrots, some flour, nutmeg and cinnamon powder, some melted butter, and yes, I won't be using sugar for today's recipe, okay? But I will be using my date syrup, okay? I add this homemade date syrup and I decided to use it, okay? Which the video will be coming soon, so please stay tuned on the channel. Alright, so guys, we'll start by mashing my bananas, and I ended up using 3. Now, if you want a good and delicious banana bread, always make sure your bananas are super ripe. Otherwise, you're just not going to get a really nice flavor as well as texture. So once they are nicely mashed, we'll add in my grated carrots and give it a gentle stir. Guys, this recipe is so easy. I'm literally adding the ingredients one by one, okay? Next, I'm going to add in my eggs. Give it a gentle stir. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Then add in my melted butter. Next, I'm going to go in with my date syrup, okay? Guys, you can use any sweetener of your choice, okay? But I prefer to use my homemade date syrup. Now I'm going to add in the dry ingredients, okay? And as I mentioned, the full measurements and the ingredients will be in the description box, so please do check it out. And to my returning and new subscribers, I really do appreciate you for taking your time coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you and thank you so much for your support. God bless you. Okay guys, so once that everything is evenly combined, I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into my baking dish, okay, which I've already lined with some parchment paper, okay? And I'm just going to give it a little tap just to get rid of any excess bubbles, okay? And then pop it into the oven and bake it for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, all until toothpick inserted in the center of the bread comes out clear, okay? And our banana bread is ready, guys. So I'm going to remove it from the pan and let it sit for about 10 minutes, okay? And once our bread is cooled enough, I'm going to go ahead to slice it up because, guys, my kitchen smells so good and I just could not wait to enjoy this deliciousness. And I hope you try this recipe because the carrot flavor and the banana, yes, perfection. Alright guys, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. And until I come your way with another amazing deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.